Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to negotiate at CarMax. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. At CarMax, negotiation is not part of the car buying process because CarMax uses a no haggle pricing model. This means the price you see for a car is the price you pay. The price is non-negotiable, so there is no need to worry about negotiating with the salesperson. The fixed price includes all the costs of the vehicle, and CarMax is committed to providing fair and competitive prices. And then market-based pricing ensures that the car's price is based on the real data like make, model, year and condition. Other ways to get the best deals at CarMax is simply by tapping on the sale offer right here is simply trade-in. You can trade in your current vehicle at CarMax by simply tapping on the sale icon, then tapping on the get my offer right here, and then CarMax will value your trade-in and can be used as a down payment or credited toward the purchase price of your next car. Next is financing options, and then look for the vehicle conditions as well. And CarMax offers a 10-day return policy. If you're not satisfied with your purchase, you can return the car at full refund or exchange it for a different one. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.